The CopyWrite copy and compare statement can be used to ensure that the latest versions of a file are maintained on the system. A file will only be copied from a source host to a destination host if it's a better version. The file being copied is a better version if it doesn't exist or is not resident on the destination host, or it has a later cycle, version or timestamp. In this case, 4 files have been copied from the remote host because there was no resident file. I'll now copy a newer file over the top of one of the existing files. If we then copy and compare those files back to the host, we should see that the second file has been copied because it's a better version, but the other files have not. The copy and compare feature can also be used when copying files to a Windows-based disk farm. In this case, it was a new disk volume, a new disk farm volume, and so all the files were copied. We'll copy a newer version over the top of snippet test 2, repeat the copy and compare to the disk farm. As you can see here, snippet test 2 was replaced, the others were not replaced because they're the same file. CopyWrite indicates what attribute failed the test of best version in square brackets. In this case, it's the timestamp, bits being the same. If we remove the test 2 file and then copy back from the disk farm, we should see test 2 has been copied back because there was no file. Copy and compare may also be used when creating a self-extracting archive. When the archive is run, copy and compare is done here. No files have been extracted from the self-extracting archive because no file in the archive is a better version than the resident file.